third year pharmacy student here at QUT.
Hello, my name's Associate Professor Andrew Hale and I'm the current Discipline Lead for Pharmacy at QUT.
Hi, my name's Sophie. I'm a fourth year pharmacy student at QUT. I chose to study pharmacy because I really enjoyed chemistry and all my science and health subjects at school, and I really wanted to choose a career that encompassed that scientific background and that I could apply it to patients because I really wanted to go into one of those caring industries.
I've always wanted to work in health. I spent a bit of time in the exercise space and really enjoyed it, but found myself really wanting to work in pharmacy.
We're a relatively small cohort, so we get to know our students really, really well. And I'm very confident if the students engage with us and with each other, then we can provide the students all the support that they need to navigate their way through the course.
I've really enjoyed sort of getting to know a lot of the staff members here, and as you can imagine, studying a pharmacy degree, you'd have lots of questions throughout all the content that you learn, and I've found that having a relationship with lots of the staff has really been amazing to help my learning.
Just about all of our staff either have PhDs or are enrolled in PhDs, and we have expertise in all parts of the pharmacy curriculum amongst our staffing profile.
First year, it's sort of all about getting to know the pharmacy space and everything that comes with it.
All the units are a little bit more general, so you've got kind of your anatomy, physiology, your basic chemistry unit, so it's building a foundation of those health sciences and starting to build your clinical thinking skills.
Second year, they start to learn more about what it means to be a pharmacist and what it takes to be a pharmacist.
We start looking a little bit more about the chemistry of medicines and how they work when they enter the body.
End of second year, third year, we separate everything into the different body systems. So you have a cardio unit, you'll have an endocrine unit.
So learning about all sorts of medicines and things that people might deal with on a day-to-day basis and how we can use medicines to help contribute to health.
And then in fourth year, it's bringing everything together for those more complex patients and being able to clinically think about that on a bigger scale.
And then the fourth year is our embedded honours year for students who are interested in research.
I definitely recommend it. I think from the first year, just make sure that you're keeping on top of things. All of that foundation knowledge is so important for your future practice. I think it's a great degree to study, and we need more pharmacists in the industry, so there'll be plenty of jobs for you.